Wishing you a good day, dear student. This is Angita from the race classes. Can you guess which chapter we are going to start today by seeing the images? Yeah, we are going to start the topic time. As you know, time is very important and precious things in our life. We are going to do each and every work of ours with this time only. Now the time changes and we turn ourselves from infant to an old age as well. So time changes very fastly. So at least in this chapter, I'm going to instruct you about the chapter time and the different types of conversions. So most of you know already how to read the time, but some of you are still there who cannot watch the clock and read the time. Clear, no children? So I think I'm going to start with the proper discussion. Can you guess what type of this object I can take to explain you? Okay, fine. So I'm going to take you an object like this. What is this? This is a clock in my hand. Understood, no? With this clock, everybody is having the clock in their hand. And I know that my children, they are watching and they know already how to tell the time to others. But here, again I am going to explain you from here, please keep my eyes here. This is your clock. Each have how many? This is your 12 hours clock. We are having two types of clock. One is your 12 hours, other is our 24-hour clock, which we are using in railways and airports, basically for 24 hours. This is your 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The difference between 12 to 1 is the small gap which we are having between 12 to 1, 1 to 2. You can see the small lines in this. That will be your, between them we are having the 5 minutes gap. Like you can see in 1 to 12 to 1, how many dots we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots stand for 5 minutes. This continues for all, like 1 to 2 also 5, 2 to 3. Continuing till the last. Here we are having 60 minutes. We are writing 1 hour equal to 60 minutes or 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This we are counting from this small. Now let's discuss about this watch and I'll tell you. This is we are having 3 hands in our clock. You can see one small hand, one little big hand and one you can see a moving hand. One moving hand is moving from here to there. You can see continuously it is moving and rotating. Then you can see the small hand is called your hour hand. Small hand is called your hour hand or hour hand you can also say. This little bigger one is called your minute hand. Clear, no? And this moving hand is called your what? Good. It is called your second hand. So in a clock, how many hands we are having? How many hands we are having in a clock? We are having 3 hands. First is your hour hand, second is your minute hand, and moving hand is called your second hand. Clear, no children? Apart from this, if I am going to ask you what is the present time right now, you can give your answer in comment section. What is the present time now? Please see and tell me the answers in comment section. Clear? Okay, fine. Now we are going to have this is just a simple example to make you understand this is called your clock. I know everybody know, but then too, we'll go with that way. Clear? You can see here I have drawn 4 images of clock. I hope it is properly visible to you as well. You can see these 4 clocks shows different time. And as well as you can see I have used 2 different color of marker to identify. Few minutes back only I have explained this smaller hand of yours of the clock is called your hour hand and bigger hand of your clock is called your minutes hand. And one moving hand we are having that I have not drawn. Always which is moving is your second hand. So from here you can understand. Now 2 more things which you have to deal with and that will be your representation. Clear, no? Representation means what? See beta, if you are going to count the time from 12 to 6, if the clock is moving from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear, no? If it is going to move from here, we are going to write it as past. If that our minute hand will be from 12 to 6, then we are going to write as a past. Means this minute hand is at which place? 4. So while writing this in words, we will write past. Clear? When this minute hand will go from 6 to 12. 6 to 12, you understand my point? From this 6 to this 12 in clockwise direction, then we are going to represent the minute hand with a term that is called your 2. Called 2. Like for example, here it is written, this small hand is at your which place? It will be at 8 and this The difference between 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 1 to 2 is your 5 minutes. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Understood? So we are having 20 minutes and this smaller hand will be at 8. So what I am going to write it as, this first clock is being written as 8 slash or 8.20. Clear? This is just the way to represent. Apart from this, it can be written in words as what? 20 minutes to or 20 minutes past 8. Past means what? I said already, when your minute hand is lies between 12 or you can say 12 to 6, we are going to write it as a past. How many time has already passed? 20 minutes is passed. With which one? 8. Now still your 40 minutes is left. Clear? Another one we are having, you can see from here, this will be your minute hand and this will be your hour hand. Clear, no? Your hour hand is just reaching to 10 but your minute hand is at 9. 9 means what? Now count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This will be your 45. Now it can be written as 45 already over. Now how many minutes is left to become 10? 5, 10, 15. Clear, no? So in this case, when most of your time is almost past and only few minutes are left, then you have to use the word to, T-O. And you can write it as 15 minutes to what? What is that coming next time? That will be your 10. 15 minutes to 10. Clear? Understood? When it will be less than 6, then you are writing past. And when it will be more than after 6, we are having 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever that in minute hand, then we are writing it 10. Understood? Now next. Here minute hand and this hour hand, they both are collapsing with each other. That means it shows exact time and that will be your what? It can be written as 12-00 or it can be written as 12 o'clock. Clear, no? Understood? Next of yours. It can be written as 12 o'clock. Next. Let's talk about this time. If you want to note it down, you can note it down that same. You have to draw this type of clock in your copy to practice, to make the practice of others. Okay. Next. This hour hand of yours is at which place? 6th. And this minute hand of yours is at 5. How many minutes is passed in 6? Only 5 minutes of yours is passed. Now still your how many minutes is left? Subtract 60 minus 5. 55. Still your 55 minutes is left. Then only the clock will go from 6 to 7. So now here you can write 5 minutes. 5 minutes what? Past 6. Past means only 5 minutes is spent out of 6. Still 55 minutes is left. This is just the representation of yours. Otherwise it can be written in words like this: 605. So clock can be read or represented in two ways. One you can write in this form and other you can write in word as well. Clear, no? So two things you have read. One is past, other one is to. I hope it is clear to you. Now next thing which you are going to move it, please click a picture of this one if you wish to go with. Next we are going to learn about units of conversion. Units of conversion. Or you can write what are the units of time we are having. So next your heading is units of time. Units of time. Shall I erase this? I think you have done already. Okay. Mark your next heading. I will leave this clock as empty. Fine. Mark your next heading. Yeah. Units of time. Like you can write first 1 year equal to how many days? we are having 365 days. But sometimes we are having 366 or we are having 366 days. When we are having 366 days, when we are having a leap year, and it comes after every 4 years. Clear? I think you note it down. 1 year equal to 365 days, or you can write 366 days when it will be a leap year. Now 1 month equal to, sometimes we are having how many days? 30 or 31 days. Clear, no? Now sometimes 1 month, or not this 1 month, months are of, like months having sometimes 30 days or sometimes they are having 31 days. Clear, no? Now next what we are going to write, 1 week equal to how many days? 1 week equal to, we are having 7 days. This is just to recall your knowledge. Another one is your 1 fortnight. Please don't come and ask what is fortnight. Will be equal to your how many days? Good. 14 days. Clear? Another one. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Now 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Children, these all are the things which you have to remember for the units of time. Another one you want to? Clear? Okay. And last we are having, like I think you have written already, which we have forget as 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Clear? What is that? These all are just the conversion. You have to remember while dealing with the problems. Clear, no? Understood? So let's move to the another part of this, that will be your conversion of units. I just try to make it to remember this one. Then I'll move to the next part, because from there only we will solve few problems. So let's erase this clock. Clear? Okay. First question of yours is there. From here, convert 2 minutes. Convert to minutes. Now what is it? If it is there, first one, 12 hours. 12 hours. 12 hours is what? It is hours, bigger unit, and your minute is your smaller unit, children. So you can write from here 1 hour equal to, you know from here 1 hour equal to your how many minutes? 60 minutes. Please note it down. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, what? 12 hours equal to, you know already when you have to convert bigger unit to the smaller unit from previous chapter measurement. Good. We have to multiply that operation since what? 12 multiplied by 60. What? Minutes. Minutes short form I will write as MIN. You can also use that same. And that will be your, when you are multiplying 12 with 60, what you will get? 12 6 are 72. We are having 1 0, 720 minute. Short form of minute is MIN. Clear? This is your first conversion. Second, if the question is written in other form, please note it. This is simple one. If your question is written 9 hour or 9 hours 15 minutes, you have to convert 9 hours 15 minutes to minutes. There is no use of hours in it. Do you get my point? There is no use of hours. So what you are going to do, you will write like this: 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. As per your class children, please write the formula again and again. In every video of mine, whenever we are discussing the numericals, I always say that you have to use units properly, because these all are going to give you the step marking in examinations. They get my point? They get my point? Okay. So 9 hours equal to what? 9 multiplied by 60 minutes, and your answer is what? 540 minutes. Now what you are going to do for this 15? What you will do? Good. You will add that one, like I'll write here. If it is written, here you are getting 9 hours, no? Then what you will do for this 9 hours? 9 hours, 15 minutes equal to 9 hours, 15 minutes equal to what? 540 minutes, because 9 hours can be written as 540 plus these 15 is going to add now, plus 15 minutes. Do you get my point? 15 minutes. Now please add. What you will get? 555. Yeah. Your answer is 555 minutes. Do you get my point? This is just your conversion where this hours and minute is directly being converted to minute. In first question, only your hour is converted into minute, but in this question, hour and minute is being converted into minute. Understood? So please click a photograph of this one. Yeah, go with it. Now next of yours is there, then you have to convert to seconds. What is given? You have to convert to seconds. I'm going to erase this part. Second means what is written? 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Can you guess 1 minute equal to how many seconds we are having? Good. So your second part of yours is convert to seconds. Clear? And your question is given 4 minutes. Very easy. What I have to do? You know already. Since I have not erased, I will erase afterwards. Clear, no? Like what you know? 1 minute equal to 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Short form of second is what? SEC. Otherwise, it's all the time you will write, then you will learn that same. Clear? Therefore, 4 minute equal to what? 4 multiplied by 60 second. Your answer is what? 4 6 are 24. I have added this 0 because 24 and then one more 0 is there. When you are multiplying, you will get seconds. That means your 4 minute will be equal to your 240 seconds. Clear, children? This is the another part of conversion. When you have to convert to second. Do you get my point? This is your another part of conversion, that will be your, you have to convert to second. Now next, when you have to convert into days or months, then how you are going to do? Please have note of this one, which I have done now. These all things are given in your exercise. Questions are given. You just solve. If you find any difficulty, you may ask with me. Clear, no? Next of yours is given. Third part. Convert to, what is given? Convert to hours. We have done. Convert to hours. Convert to hours. Now, your question is 80, or you can write 180 minutes. 180 minutes. 180 minutes can be written as what? Can you guess? Okay. So you know already 1 hour equal to, I will take this space. You will write 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60. Clear? Do you get that? Now, when you have 180 minutes equal to 180 divided by 60. Because here 1 upon 80, no? Hours. Now, this 0 is going to cancel with this 0. Clear? Here, in table of 6, you are getting 18. 6 1s are 6, 2s are 12, 3s are 18. So, it is going to reduce into which form? 3 times. And that 180 minute of yours will be equal to how many hours? 3 hours. How many hours? 3 hours. So please note it down. This is, here we have used operation division, that you know already. Smaller to bigger, divide bigger to smaller, multiply. Clear, no children? We have, I think we will go with one more video in this one because this chapter is quite long. So first of all, we will just read all the conversions. Now next fourth part of yours is, if you have noted down both one, then I will erase this part. Next of yours is convert to hours. Fourth part. Convert to hours. Clear? Convert to hours. Like you know already, 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So here you are having 8 days. And you have to convert the days into hours. Since 1 day equal to 24 hours. Clear? Therefore, 8 days equal to what? How many hours we are having? 8 multiplied by 24 hours. Now please multiply and let me know the answer. 8 4 ja 32. Carry will be 3. 8 2 ja 16, 17, 18 and 19. 192 hours. If you find any difficulty, you can just multiply to the rough column. But I have done directly. Let's check the answer. Yeah, the answer is correct. 192. That means your 8 days will be equal to how many hours? It will be equal to your 192 hours. These all are the questions which were asking in your examinations, and these all are given in your syllabus. Clear, no? That's why I am discussing each and every questions in brief with different patterns. Here it is written, the days will be converted to hours. Here minutes will be converted to hours. All the questions are having their different pattern. Clear? Understood, children? Now I will give certain problem and then you have to solve. Then I will go with the next one. Now, what are the things which is left? You have to convert to days, converts to months. These all are parts which will be left. Now, next part of yours. Sorry, where is this? I think you have taken the screenshot. Okay. Now, mark with this one. I'll give few homework to you. Okay. I'll give few homeworks to you so that you can go with it. But before that, let's read two more things. That is your conversion of years. And one more is there. Conversion of, I think, month is there. Clear? If your question is written, we have discussed fourth part. Now fifth part of your convert to years or days. What will I write? Convert to days, and other will be your convert to months. Convert to days, and sixth will be your convert to months. In this your question is there, 5 years. Clear? And here your question is that convert to days means what? If your month is given, you have to convert into days. I told you already 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Basically we are considering 30 days. So if it is written 3 months. Clear? Basically the things which I have given you in the beginning, to remember units of time, that is important. You have to recall it again and again. Clear, children? So you will write here, since 1 month equal to 30 days. How many days we are having? 30. Therefore, 3 months equal to what? Good. 3 multiplied by 30 days. And what answer you are having here? 3 3s are 9. And we are going to copy this 0 as such. 90 days. Clear? Understood? That means your 3 months will be equal to what? Days. 19 days. 90. Clear? Now let's move to the other part. Here another conversion we are going to use. Like we are having 5 years, no? Now you have to convert into months. Can you please tell, since 1 month or 1 year equal to how many months we are having? How many months we are having? Any answer? Okay. I think you will give your answer in comment section. 12 months. Therefore, 5 years equal to what? 5 multiplied by 12 months. And your answer is what? 5 12 ja or 12 5 ja? 60. 60 what? Months. Clear? That means 5 years will be equal to your 60 months. Clear, no children? So I think we have learned different conversion, starting from your weeks, months, hours, seconds, minutes, year, months to days. We have learned many conversion in this chapter. No? If you want, you can click a screenshot of this one. Understood? So I plan to give few homeworks to you so that you can do. Okay, so write few homeworks from here. First is your, please note it down, homework. First, convert to weeks. Convert to weeks. And your question is 56 days. This is your first question. I hope this red marker is visible to you. Clear? Next is your convert to hours. And your question is 300 minutes. Understood? Third question is convert to months. 3 questions I am giving you from here, and that will be your 6 years 5 months. You have to convert into months. So these all are the homework which I have given you. You have to solve and practice it. Clear, children? Now we are going to conclude this part of this video. Whatever the things are left from this topic, we will cover in another video. So children, just watch and revise this chapter again. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like the videos, and keep watching this, whatever the contents you are having as per the part of your examinations. So just keep watching, keep like, share and subscribe. To update more, you can just press your bell icon. Thank you. Now I am going to end up the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.